Hi, my name is Anthony Sansone, and this is my Go See It video for accounting. I have actually chosen JB Hunt as the topic of my Go See It video for discussion of property, plant, and equipment, or PPE. I've chosen this topic because JB Hunt is one of the largest trucking and transportation companies in the United States, and its business relies solely and heavily on property, plant, and equipment assets. I'm here with Adam Henry, who is the operations supervisor at JB Hunt Transportation Systems in Iowa City, Iowa. This is his third year in this position, and he's been with this company for a while. So, Adam, don't mind telling me a little bit more about your role specifically.
Sure. As an operations supervisor, my main things lie within a local distribution center. I'm responsible for dock operations, dispatch operations, and then total operations management for the distribution center.
Awesome, and I appreciate you being here with me today to talk about your company. So tell me a little bit more about JB Hunt Transportation Services. Tell me a little bit more about that company.
Sure. JB Hunt's a public corporation, Fortune 500 company.
Awesome. So a couple of accounting principles that I would like to discuss with you today is the fact that PPE assets are a little bit unique. And so they're unique in two different ways. Is that plant assets are used in operations, and that the useful lives of their assets exceed more than one accounting period. And so tell me a little bit more about the equipment materials that you utilize and how long do they typically last?
Sure. At the local distribution center that I work at, and being in transportation, we've got tractors, which is the trucks, and those definitely last over one calendar year. We have trailers as well, which last over one calendar year. We have dollies, forklifts, clamp trucks, those all last over one calendar year. And then on in-house, for the business side of the operation, we've got computers, printers, fax machines, etc. that all exceed one calendar year.
Awesome, thanks for that. And then the cost of PPE assets definitely incur over the lifetime, and they include three different ways. The acquisition, so when you purchase it, the depreciation costs, as well as disposal. So what is the depreciation method that you utilize with the equipment that you just provided?
At the account level, we use straight line depreciation method.
Okay. And then how do you dispose of the equipment after the lifetime has reached its value or its salvage value?
The company takes the assets from the local accounts and then disposes of it as they see fit.
Now, do they sell that equipment or do they just dispose of it?
Some equipment scrapped, other equipment sold.
Okay, awesome. Now, and then there's different internal mechanisms or controls to help protect the assets of the company. And so there are 7 different ways. There's established responsibilities, maintain adequate records, ensure assets and bond key employees, separate record keeping from custody of assets, divide responsibility for related transactions, apply technological controls, perform regular and independent interviews or reviews. Now, which internal control mechanisms does your company utilize?
Our company utilizes a lot of those for different accounts and different operations. As far as my account operations concerned, we use a lot of technological controls, and that can be anything in the warehouse from cycle counts to ensuring that property is kept in its location as well as profit and loss.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Adam, for being able to talk to me about your company, and I appreciate the time.
Thank you.